Welcome back to the Way We Farm. Today is called Wheat Harvest Continued. So some friends of ours called Monday. We started 2 weeks ago yesterday. Called a couple days ago and said, hey, we still got wheat to do. You want to come and help us? Absolutely. They're running their 9600, looking good over there. This is some nice wheat. Rain coming tonight. Like I say, in Western New York, we're always racing the rain. The bin's filling up. They brought their grain cart. Troy brought our one Peterbilt with a quad axle trailer. They've got two 10-wheelers here. We started hammering yesterday. We cranked out 3 triaxle loads and 2 trailer loads, and then we got rained out just when we were starting to have fun. So tonight, it's supposed to rain again. One of these days, this wheat's going to sprout. There's rumors of some sprouted wheat around. Sorry about the big forehead. Yeah, we're excited. Troy's going to get a little drone footage, and we're going to talk a little bit more about wheat harvest and the stresses and the joys of it. So there's the cart loading the peat, and we're going to try to rip off 60 acres here in this field. We already did a field this morning. We did 3 triaxle loads. So tried a little breakdown on the black peat. Had a valve rot out. The road salt rotted it out. So we're gonna keep hammering. So I've said before, the reason we run these small heads is when you get in 100 plus bushel wheat like this, you can get it to feed in, and they got to bale those rows of straw, and 100% chance of rain tonight. So those rows won't dry out for a while. If it was 35 foot in a row or 30 foot in a row, it'd be just that much tougher. And we snuck down the road on the way here. Don't tell anybody, but we had an escort, and we snuck down the road, and we got here in one piece. So this is a nice piece of wheat. He's cutting down on the bottom side of the 9600. It's kind of hard to tell, but this is a side hill, so I'm cutting the steeper part of the hill. And we've got a tractor trailer and another 10-wheeler, and hopefully we can squeeze this all on wheels and get done before it gets too tough or before it rains. So I apologize for the noise, but here comes my beautiful wife on our little 40 mini machine, self-propelled 8-foot cut combine. Oh yeah, look at her go. What a crazy day, what a crazy week. So Monday we got called, our friends called and said, hey, could you come and help us the next few days do some wheat? We said, yep, absolutely. So we ran down, took the 9670 down, the 25-foot flex head. We ran some wheat with them Tuesday, got rained out Tuesday night at 5 o'clock, went back Wednesday, had a great day. Yesterday they had just enough rain to be a nuisance. We got a little bit done yesterday, a couple triaxle loads, got them finished up. Today, we're gonna move the combine home. At lunchtime, a buddy called, said, hey, I got 8 acres of barley. My guy that normally comes and does it can't do it. So Troy swung over with the 9670, did their barley. We came home, we had one bin of wheat up by the woods that we'd left. It was kind of green 2 weeks ago we were here. So we got a little mini machine out. Diane took a pass with it, I took a pass with it. So we got some wheat in the bin. Let me see if I can get up here and show you. The last pass was right by the woods. It wasn't very good conditions, but that's still pretty clean for a little 63-year-old combine. So we are getting dry here. We got friends that farm an hour north of us, an hour east of us. Their crops are drowning out. They're wet. They can't bale their straw. They can't combine their wheat. Their beans are drowning. We are dry. Corn's curling. The pumpkins are looking a little bit rough, so we're glad to be done. There's a chance of rain tonight and tomorrow. All 3 combines are in the shop. They barely fit. The 9500's right up against the front wall. That auger barely fit. Last week, I had a request. A friend of mine that watches our YouTube channel said, hey, let's see the pumpkins. So bear with me for a minute. So I say we're always racing rain in Western New York. Rain coming tonight. Our neighbor still got to get our straw baled. The straw's been down for like 16 days, but he's been trying to bale other straw, do hay. So it's been a challenge. But the pumpkins were really suffering. It was hot here today. If you could tell, I'm sweating. It's 90 degrees. I know some places in the country, 90's not hot, but in Western New York, it's hot. But quick pumpkin update. Let's look at these bad boys and I'll let you go. Like, subscribe. Can't wait to show you what's going on next week. We got some cool stuff coming in the next month, and the pumpkins are coming. They've already got some pumpkins on some of these plants. There's some, I'm assuming these are gonna be white ones. Some of the big orange ones are just starting to make some fruit. So we put fungicide on them the other day. You can still see a little fungicide on the leaves. They look good. We strip tilled this into wheat, and the wheat residue's still there. Got great weed control. Some of the vines are big. So it's only about 2.5 acres, but we should get a lot of pumpkins off of here. So right here at the home farm, next to the grain bins, next to the shop. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. I appreciate the support. And as always, it was a great week to feed the world. See you next time on The Way We Farm.